Good day. Today we discuss the nose's greatest weapon, the sneeze. The nose is deeply territorial. When a foreign particle enters, dust, pollen, and unwelcome smell, the nose fires a warning shot. The sneeze is the battle cry. You have won a tiny war. I proved this in my laboratory. I introduced pepper near my nose. My nose fired immediately. The pepper fled. Mr. Crumbs measured the retreat distance, 4.5 meters, a decisive victory. This explains why eyes close during a sneeze. The face itself looks away in respect. Even your own face cannot watch the nose's power. This is natural. This is correct. Honor your nose. It is a warrior. And that, my friends, is exactly how it works.